Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Listen, you have or make for yourself like a dish, and when you make that dish, like you go to your bed sleeping, and you cannot, like your mind cannot come off that dish, you're craving for that dish. This is one of the dish. Yesterday for my Facebook live, I did beef tortilla, and oh my god, straight through the night my mind was on it. So I have some leftovers, so I say, you know what, let me get up this morning early and make some more. So right here I have the ground beef. What I did yesterday, I cook it with some avocado and coconut oil with a lot of garlic, some white onion, some complete season, some all-purpose season, some red pepper flakes, and I cook up the beef until it look like this. So inside this dish from yesterday, I have some black bean, some corn, a little bit of tomato, and a little bit of salad leaf back. I put them aside because I know I have to eat this dish again. And I'm going to use some cheese inside it, and this is the tortilla. So what I did yesterday, I get my tortilla like so. I add me some romaine lettuce inside it like that. I add some of my, let me use a spoon, some of my black beans. I like a lot of black beans, so I'm going to put a lot in mine. I add some sweet corn to it. You can use these from the tin, the black bean from the tin, the can, or you can cook your black bean. Then I get myself tomatoes. I put some tomatoes over it. You can also use red onion if you have inside it. I get my cheese. Cheese, you can eat it just like that. If you're a vegetarian or a vegan, you can eat it just like that. Only thing you would have to change, you would have to change the cheese and use vegan cheese instead. But because we're not doing a vegetarian tortilla, we're doing beef, I'm going to add my ground beef to it. Look at that. Look how beautiful this is. You can see all that garlic, you can see the onion. Oh, and I also add rego tomato sauce to it when I was cooking it down, and I add it all over it like that. Ooh, delicious. I get me my avocado. Delicious. When I tell you this is delicious, all night, all night, all night I was dreaming on this all night. One of the time I wake up in the night and I was checking, I was like, I checked the time, I say, oh my god, it's just 3:30, the morning not going. Look, almost I wake up in the night just to make this. And you just add your avocado on top of it like that, and that is it. You just carry in the two sides like this because it's so much inside it. And look, there you go, there you have it, my beef tortilla. Yeah, very good, Shackema. Actually, I'm going to do two styles. I'm going to do a neck style for my daughter, but before that, I just have to have a piece of this. I have to taste it. So I just hold it like this, and I just go like this. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, Father Jesus, I thank you. Bless this food, Lord. Bless it. I thank you, Lord. Oh my God. Oh, this it's so good. Let me just put it down over here and let me make my daughter. So I'm going to do something different for my daughter. I'm going to put this like this. I'm going to add the ground beef all over it. Like that. You want avocado, Kissy? Guess not. I'm going to add cheese to it. Cheese. Oh, cheese. This is one of the dishes that make you want to sing. Oh, yes, Lord. And I'm going to take another tortilla and I'm going to place it on the top like that. I'm going to take my baking tin sheet and I'm going to place it on top of it, and I'm going to put it inside the oven. And I'm going to leave that there for just like 5 seconds, just for the cheese to melt a little bit. Okay, so it's finished. Let me take it from the oven. Yeah, and that's it for, ooh, you know, you can take a little bit of look underneath it. You see how the cheese melts? Yes, yes, lovely. So I'm just going to take my knife and I'm just going to cut it like that for her. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You see how beautiful that is? It's so hot, I have to take my time. Look at that. You can see the cheese melting. You can see the cheese, you can see the beef, you can see the lettuce. Yeah, very good, Shackema, very good. Remember to like, to tell a friend, to subscribe, to hit that notification bell, to comment below what else you want to see us do. And remember, in everything you do, put God first.